67 Juliet Bravo, how much delay can we expect?
Ryanair 67 Juliet Bravo, behind landing Itaro, runway 31, line up and wait behind.
Behind the landing Itaro, line up and wait runway 31 behind 67 Juliet Bravo.
Be ready for immediate.
Yep, we are ready for an immediate.
Itaro to Whiskey Quebec, vacate right via Echo. Itaro to
Sorry sir, you contacted me as I landed. I didn't really hear what you said. Vacating via Romeo, Tower 2 Whiskey Quebec. Please say that when I'm landing. Malta Tower, Tower 2 Quebec, runway 31 vacated.
Thank you. Ryanair 67 Juliet Bravo, runway 31, cleared for immediate departure, wind 03014.
Alright, 31 clear for takeoff, 67 Juliet Bravo.
Malta Tower, Malta 61 at Charlie.
Malta 61, stand by for traffic. Itaro 2, Whiskey Quebec, ground 116, ciao.
Contact
Tower 2, Whiskey Quebec,
121
contact
at
the ground.
6. Thank you very much sir, have a lovely day.
Ciao.
Good day.
Malta 61 for Alpha number 2.
Visual clear, Malta 6.
Ryanair 67 Juliet Bravo, approach 128.15, 128.15, ciao.
Can I approach 128.1567 Juliet Bravo?
Tango Zulu, Tango 7 Charlie, Zulu Whiskey, runway 31, clear to land, wind 03014.
Clear to land, runway 31, Tango 7 Charlie Zulu Whiskey.
Our Tower 81 Charlie, established ILS 31.
Itaro 81 Charlie, speed, minimum approach speed, please.
Minimum approach speed, Tower 81 Charlie.
Malta 61 for Alpha, second please. You are number 2 in seconds.
Approaching minimums. 300. Minimums. $100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
.609 with you on 3,000 feet on final, established on runway 131.
We say 1609, you are number 2 in sequence, continue approach.
Roger, continue approach,
Auto brake
confirm number
disarmed.
3 in sequence with 1609.
Left,
Roger.
Tango Zulu Charlie Zulu Whiskey, vacate right via Echo, please.
Getting right via Echo Tango 7 Charlie Zulu Whiskey.
Auto brake disarmed.
Taro 81 Charlie 31 clear to land, the wind 03014.
Clear to land 31, Tower 81 Charlie.
Tango Zulu Charlie Zulu Whiskey, ground 1216, ciao.
1216, ciao, Tango 7 Charlie Zulu Whiskey.